Here we are at the end of week 6 and 7. In case you appreciate the improved audio, I want to shout out to Derek Villamere, who complained vehemently about the poor audio, and so I purchased a microphone for these videos. Last week, we didn't really have that much change physically. There's tons of change. The flooring was all installed. All of the walls and ceilings have been painted 2 coats, so everything looks pretty good. We now have all of the base cabinets in place so that we're gonna be able to get the countertop installed. Next week, the place will look completely different. We'll have the upper cabinets installed. We'll have the pantry installed. The trim will be painted out as well as just as it is installed mostly. And so there's gonna be a lot of change next week. In the bedroom, we have the accent wall painted along with everything else. The lighting is in. This room is virtually finished. We just have to paint the trim. The closet is ready. The bathroom we haven't even touched. That'll be the last thing we do after the kitchen is done. It's gonna be a crazy week this week. I'm looking forward to next.